Everybody fucking jump!
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get you guys a little bit of box action. Hope my camera focuses for you. This one is the Jordan 1 High Zoom Black and Tomatillo, aka the Zen Greens. Get you guys some 360 action. You can see, get the extra pair of lime green laces. It's a pretty decent shoe. They keep pushing it back, moving it forward. I had a couple pairs before, sold them. I had to get another pair back for myself. You guys one more 360 and give you some bottom action. It's a pretty good shoe. Everybody that picked this up, it's one of my favorite Jordan 1s of the year. It's pretty decent. Alright guys, give me 1 second. Alright guys, we're back. Let's get you some more box action. Hope it zooms in. This is the Air Jordan 5 Retro. What is it? White, ghost green, and court purple, aka the ghost greens are the reverse Bel-Airs. Let's get you guys a look at these joints. Check. So I'm getting this good camera angles for you guys. So it's one of the most anticipated Jordans for most people, thanks to the whole entanglement, red table talk situation or whatever they're talking about. I never watched it. I just know people come in and laugh at Will Smith and buy this shoe. Thanks for his misfortune. It's becoming my game. Not my favorite Jordan 5 of the year. Like I said, the top 3s are my favorite. I think this will be one of my last Jordan 5 purchases. So it's just getting too much for me to maintain the bottoms on all of them. Sole swapping when it's time and all that other stuff. So this is a good Jordan. I love the green jump line. I'll give you guys some top shoe action as well, so you can see that the sole box is got a little Fresh Prince of Bel-Air on there. Alright guys, let's get to the next shoe. Okay, get you some box action. Hope it focus. This is the Nike Air Vapormax 360 Gray and Enigma Stone. I bought a pair of these for my cousin. I said, well, I get him a pair, I get myself a pair. Everybody's talking about these so much. They love the Vapormaxes. They're not my shoe, but I asked you guys, did you want to see them on the channel? You guys said yes, so. And the collection. It's a pretty decent shoe. I like the 3M. And how the Nike swoosh changes color depending on how you look at it. Pretty decent shoe. I really didn't like the bottoms, but now they got the support that you see back here. I don't mind wearing them too much. Makes the shoe feel very much better, in my opinion. Makes the whole shoe much better. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and tune into our next video. Let me know what you guys want to see on the next shoe unboxing.
Everybody fucking jump!